Hey guys, what's up today? I have this one talent. It's sort of a weird one. It's an animal noise. It's a horse. I can actually make with my body, not my lips or anything. So let's hear it. Okay, so it's gonna sound so weird. Oh my goodness. I think like this. I hope that was good. And comment down below what animal noise I should make next. Peace and bye. Also, if you like this video. But anyways, bye bye.